guys, myself Trend Academy. Welcome back to this new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how a ransomware works. It is just a educational video through which I have shown you guys that how a ransomware threat simulation happens and myself Trend Academy. So before starting, let's understand what is a ransomware. Sorry, this is the topic name ransomware simulation. So what is a ransomware? Ransomware is nothing. It is just a malware like through which any kind of files, folders or device can be locked or encrypted through keys or passwords, and that cannot be decrypted until the money or any kind of condition put by the hacker is fulfilled or not. Even in most cases, hacker does not decrypt all because they just want money. They does not want that you guys can live happily. Okay, and these kind of things happen mostly in many big companies and like that, any kind of highly organizable or where there are lots of data which are very important. Okay, like very big hospitals, like big companies. Okay, so this is a scene one. As I told you, this is a simulation. So this is scene one, the setup, the hacker's layer. Okay, so the ransomware was embedded into a PDF, that is invoice 2025.pdf. Okay, done. Then the hacker established the connection of SMTP server through which he can send a fake email. Okay, then he launched a phishing campaign and he got 2347 unique email addresses, and these all are the targets but not are vulnerable. Not all are vulnerable, but these are the targets. Okay, and one note here is that hackers always disguise their ransomware inside files and links. Like you will see any kind of pictures, ads or any kind of things. The malware is inside that, not on their front end. Okay, these things always happen in the backend. Coming to the victim sides, I am going to play role play. Okay, so just be don't I can't basically I mean to say I will play a role play from now. Okay, I am a victim now. I am a I am an employee of a business or any kind of company. Okay, now I am going to play the role. Oh, again a busy day and like brightly little office, and an unsuspecting employee reviews their inbox on a familiar email client. This is my daily routine. Nothing is except that, and like I was checking just my emails, and then here you can see my team meeting, my project alpha update, and leave request approved. I was already leaving because I don't like this company, but there is a pending invoice, something like accounts at the rate bank. I found it suspicious, but when I clicked it, here you can see something happened which I don't know. I was sitting on my just like server of my company, and like it is like unseen and unheard, the ransom payload executed, and I even don't know that. So what happened, like I even don't know what was that. When I just click on the email and clicked on the link, this is something showing, and I was fully frustrated, like what is this? But after some time, this thing happened. Encrypt Sorry, this is a wrong thing which I noted. Sorry, this is a hacker terminal. This is a good thing, guys. So here you can see now role play over for now. Here you can see the in hackers terminal encryption key generated and files has started encrypting, and here you can see section 1 completed, encryption completed. Now coming to the role play. Oh fuck, holy shit, I don't know that this was a ransomware. Now my server, and even I was leaving this company, but for now nothing can happen. Like this is what I have did very wrong to the company also, and now I think I will already fired from my company. So here you can see that all files are logged and you have 72 hours to pay, and the amount is 2 bitcoins. Okay, and here is another note: ransomware locks your data beyond reach. Okay, this is the easy English language you guys can understand. And if this amount will not be paid, then what can happen? Let's see in the scene 4. So coming in the scene 4, Oh fuck, man. Everybody knows and everybody is staring at their screens and now seeing me also, because I am the only person that through which all these things happen. So now victims perspective, like files are inaccessible, ransomware pop-ups are everywhere, our entire customer database is gone also. Now I risk the IT department, and the IT department also tried all the things which they can do for decrypting, but nothing helped me. Now everything was reached up to the CEO, and CEO know all the things right now. So here is another hacker's dashboard, like new encryption event detected. There were three companies which got covered in this ransomware attack. Okay, and always remember, without backups, you are at the attacker's mercy. Okay, so coming to the scene 5, that is there are two paths. As I told you, there are three companies, but I am taking example of two companies right now. So, faced with total data loss, organization make a crucial decision. One succumbs to the pressure, another relies on the preparation. Okay. So, coming to the first role play, that was, so now my company CEO said that let's pay the ransom amount and let's get our customer database back. But when the transaction was confirmed, ransom was paid, another warning popped up, like files will remain encrypted, no description key provided. And this is the worst thing that can happen. Now I was already fired and I don't have any kind of house and everything. That's all from my side. Now trend I will continue. So this was the outcome. If one more thing, there is another note: never pay ransom amount, always have a backup and awareness that can save you. Okay, because data here, you can see in the path 1 there nothing happened, the data lost and the money also gone, and 2 Bitcoin is a good amount, higher amount I think. And on the another scenario, path 2, not 2, there was another company which have servers in their another cloud services also, and as their backup and mostly offline. So their business were resuming safely, and as usual there was no another thing that they need to pay any ransom. Here you can see there were two scenarios, both were different and how these things happen. So coming to the scene 6, that is how ransomware spread. This was all the till scene 5. This was all like how ransomware spreads and how ransomware attacks and how these things can be decrypted or neither. Okay. Here you can see all these attacks: phishing emails, malicious ads, like downloading any kind of third-party software for free usage, any kind of premium software for free usage, any kind of movies from any third-party website. There are ads and links all over. They can link to any kind of malware, cracked software, USB devices. Like you found a good amount of disk space of pen drive in your parking. When you will insert, then and not everybody or that there was a malware in the USB device. Okay, weak remote access, easily guessed, or a stolen password for RDP services provides. Okay, stay alert. These are the main ransomware entry points, and there are many more. It depends on the social engineering skill. So this is the final message from my side: protect yourself, keep regular backups, don't click on suspicious links, use updated security tools, enable multi-factor authentication also, and think before you click. Ransom is preventable, but only if you are aware. Okay, so this was all from my side. If you guys want more videos like this, then please comment down it and like and subscribe and share also, so that many people can be aware also. So this was all from my side in this video. Let's see you in the new video. Bye bye. Regards, Trend Hive Academy.